Hey loves! In today's video, I'm going to be recreating a makeup look from the new Dreamcatcher Deja music video, and the complete look is all drugstore. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take a transition color. It's a warm neutral brown color, and this is from the Wet n Wild palette. I'm taking this on a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to be placing this all over my crease. With the same transition color, I'm taking a more smaller crease brush and I'm kind of fluffing this around my eyelids. I know that's kind of weird, but I feel like this is the easiest way for me to get this color evenly spread out on my lids. With a small detailed crease brush, I'm taking the dark brown color and I'm going to be putting this in the outer corner and in my V to deepen up the look. Then I'm taking the dark brown color and putting this in the frontal portion of my crease. In the makeup look originally, you can really see her eye socket very clearly, so it was very exaggerated, it was very accentuated. So doing this, it's going to make my eyelids pop a lot more, and you can definitely see the full crease of my eyes. And then I'm taking a blending brush with a little bit of the transition color and blending out the entire look. Then I'm taking a flat shader brush and taking the shimmery brown color beneath the dark matte brown color in the palette, and I'm going to be sweeping this all over my lid. It's a really pretty darker bronze color, and then taking a clean fluffy brush and just blending out the entire eye look to make sure there's no harsh lines. And then I'm going to be taking the small same crease brush, it's like a small detailed crease brush, and mixing the red and transition color together and sweeping it underneath my eyes just to complete the look. And then taking a detailed brush and taking the shimmery champagne color and putting this right beneath my eyeballs. And then taking some eyeliner. That was really weird saying my eyeballs, but I'm taking some black eyeliner and I'm going to be, I wouldn't say winged, but I just basically drew a straight line of eyeliner on my eyes without any wing, because in the makeup look she didn't look like she was wearing any winged eyeliner, but she was wearing black eyeliner. Then I'm taking a natural bronzer. This is Physicians Formula's bronzer, super natural, and I'm just going to be bronzing up my skin because in the music video she looked like she had a little bit of bronzer on, but it wasn't contour. So we are not unfortunately going to be contouring today, but we're just going to bronze the skin just to give us a healthy natural glow. Then I'm going to take this peachy pink blush from e.l.f. and I'm going to be sweeping this on my cheeks, and it's a very similar shade that was worn in the music video. Then I'm going to be taking these two CoverGirl lip tints, mixing them together to get a similar red shade that was worn in the music video. And that's basically it. That's the finished makeup look. It's all drugstore, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you can recreate this. And also, be sure to subscribe down below. Give this video a big thumbs up for me. It would help me out so much. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!